Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you need to log into your Paysend account, here's how to do it quickly and safely. First, tap on the Paysend icon on your mobile screen. On the welcome screen, tap Login. But if you don't already have an account, simply tap Sign Up to create an account. Here, type the phone number you used to register. Paysend uses phone verification. Once done, tap Continue. So here you will get a security code via SMS. Let me check it. Simply enter it and you're in. And if you're having a trouble, make sure your phone number is active and your app is up to date. If issues persist, visit support.paysend.com and that's it. You are logged into Paysend. Don't forget to like and follow for more easy tech tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.